Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm back out here on the side with this little Spitfire. This is a Spitfire version 2, and this came from Amazon, a company called Gluizior. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm probably butchering it, but for the most part, this is the Volantex plane. It's just rebranded. You can tell by the transmitter there. It comes with two bi-blade props. It comes with two tri-blade props. Those are all the props you get, but that's in abundance. If you ask me, that's a pretty decent amount of props for these pop-off props. They pop off. I found that the two-bladed props are more durable than the three-bladed. Well, the four-bladed props. I'm not sure if the three-bladed props are durable, but I decided to go with the two-bladed because you get more power, more efficient, and I think it's more durable. And we're out here on the concrete because I wanted to get off some takeoffs and landings with this little guy. A 400mm size plane, one of the Warbirds. The little man in there is just two-dimensional. He's flat. But let's get this little plane in the air, y'all. I've been looking at this plane and thinking that it probably flies better than the little Mustang because of the wing area. It looks like it has more wing area. We're gonna find out, I guess. I had this battery charged up, but it's been sitting as well, so hopefully the battery isn't dead. Hopefully it held its charge. Let's see, did it? I don't even know if it powered up. I didn't hear anything. Okay, it did. So let's see if we can take off with it. Taking off in mid mode. Uh-oh. This is trying to say that the battery is dead, or maybe we were just out of range. I'm not sure. It was beeping on me and then it stopped. Yeah, I think it's trying to say the range is bad because when I come close, it stops. Let's try to get a roll. Oh, let's turn around and try to get a roll. I guess it's not going to let me. Nope, it's not going to let me roll. It's saying that the battery is low. So I'm going to believe it. This little guy is flying wild. Pretty decent flyer for the most part. When I turn, it tends to want to go up. Maybe it just needs to be trimmed a little. Okay. Oh, I thought the battery calmed down. Apparently it didn't. Since we're in beginner mode, let's see if we can do a loop. Yep, we got a loop off. And the battery must have calmed down. Ah, here we go again. Another loop. Let me get it back over here. Yeah, I think it's a range thing. I think the battery is fine. I think it's just beeping because of the range getting low. Yeah, because I'm noticing when I get far away, it starts to beep. But when I come close, it stops beeping. Like now, it's not beeping. Let me try to bring it in for a landing. Coming in a little hot. Let's bring it back around. Oh, almost hit them trees. Okay, we're gonna come in for a landing for real this time, y'all. Oh, I tried to flare it at the end with a little elevator, up elevator, but didn't work out. We banged out on the landing, y'all. Pretty fun flyer, I would say. I think it flies just about as well as the Mustang does. I had that blue Mustang. Oh, an update on the Mustang. It flew on that roof right there, and it's been going for a long time through windstorms and snowstorms and bad wind advisories and everything. I would have thought that it would have blown off the roof somewhere, but one of the workers in there brought it back to me. He told me that he had my bird, because I did tell him that I lost a couple birds up there. The eagle, he was a Cowboys fan, and so I think the color of the plane saved it because it was the Cowboys colors, and he didn't like what the Cowboys, what happened to the Eagles, what the Eagles did to the Cowboys rather. And I think he killed my eagle, y'all. I found my eagle back there. Just the head was the only thing left. And he found my he said he found my cowboy plane. He said he found my plane and he brought it out to me. It just had a little a breakage on the tail, but the piece was still there, so I glued it back on. And so I have that cowboy plane back. I told him that I found the head of the eagle, and he laughed. I don't know if he's guilty or not, but my eagle nevertheless is headless now. I might be getting another one though. But back to this Spitfire version 2. I think it flies pretty nice. I can't really tell if it flies a little better than the Mustang or not. I can't tell the difference really. But awesome little flyer, fun little flyer from Amazon, y'all. You could get it quick. Thanks for watching.